Introducing CapCut, the ultimate video editing app for content creators. With its user-friendly interface, CapCut welcomes both beginners and experienced video editors to unleash their creativity. The best part? It's available on both iOS and Android, giving you the freedom to edit videos on any device you prefer. CapCut offers a rich set of editing features to bring your videos to life. Trim, split, merge clips effortlessly, and add text and music to create the perfect storytelling experience. Take your videos to the next level with a wide range of visual effects, filters, and transitions that will make them truly stand out. And here's the cherry on top. CapCut is absolutely free to use. No watermarks on exported videos, making it an ideal choice for casual creators who want to share their creations without any limitations. Elevate your videos with our vast music library, which offers royalty-free tracks and sound effects that match any mood or theme. Worried about video quality? CapCut has got you covered. With support for high-resolution exports, including 1080p and 4K options, you can ensure that your videos look stunning on any screen. Sharing your edited videos with the world has never been easier. CapCut seamlessly integrates with popular social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, allowing you to share your creations directly with your audience. You can trust CapCut to stay ahead of the game. With regular updates, the app continuously adds new features and improvements based on user feedback, ensuring that you always have the latest tools at your fingertips. Want to master all the tricks and techniques of CapCut? Join our supportive community and explore various tutorials that will help you maximize the app's potential. With its intuitive interface, multi-platform availability, rich editing features, effects and filters, free usage, music library, high-resolution exports, social media integration, regular updates, and a thriving community, CapCut is the go-to choice for content creators looking to take their videos to the next level. Download CapCut now and let your creativity shine.